Your words determine your reality. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful words that, if you say them, will help you manifest anything that you want a lot faster. See, sometimes people get what they want in life, it just takes forever. So these 3 words are going to speed up the process so you can get what you want faster. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there, and here are the 3 powerful words to manifest what you want faster. Have you ever noticed that a lot of the times when we want something in life, we have this weird underlying feeling of maybe not being worthy of it or deserving of it, or because of that one thing that you did in the past, therefore your future, you kind of aren't totally deserving or worthy of the thing that you want now because of something somebody said, or because of what somebody did, or because of what you did, or what someone told you. Now, what if instead you went like this? I'm worthy. I really am worthy. I believe that I am a child of God. I'm an individualization of this divine source, whatever you want to call it. Alan Watts said you can't get wet by the word water. You can't get wet by the word water, it's just a word. Okay, you can't get wet by the word God. You can't get wet by the word universe, but there is this energy, there is a actual universal intelligence that has created everything. And it's always expanding. The universe is always expanding, and this universal energy is in everything. See, this tripod that I have my camera set up on, it looks like it's just a little black plastic tripod. It's not. It looks like it when you look at it from a atom perspective. It looks like from an atomic perspective, it looks like atoms, and then they say underneath atoms there's all these subatomic particles. Okay, but guess what? The subatomic particles are energy. So they say, oh, our world's made up of matter. Okay, well, what's matter made up? It's made of particles or atoms. What are particles or atoms made up of? Well, they're made of subatomic particles. Well, what are those made of? Energy. So they say an atom or a subatomic particle is 99% empty space. That this tripod is actually predominantly empty space. My senses just only pick up 1% of what it is. That 1% is the 1% physical, but 99% of this tripod in front of me is non-physical. That's enough to make you trip out for a minute. Look at whatever is in front of you right now. It might be your phone, it might be a computer, it might be a television, it might be a wall. Whatever is in your field of vision right now, look at it closely. Can you feel the essence of it? The essence of it is, it's 99% energy. And this energy is in everything. It's in every cell of your body as well. This miracle working presence of the universe is within every cell of your body. In fact, it is you. This miracle working presence is you. It's within you, it is you. And it's in every cell of your body. It is every cell of your body. You have a miracle working presence working within you. So how could you not be worthy of what you want? Comment down below, I am worthy. Comment that down below, I am worthy. Those are the 3 words. Comment down below, I am worthy. See, they say that something about 80% of all the information you hear you don't remember. It's probably higher than that on YouTube because we're consuming so much different types of information in a small period of time while we're on YouTube that it's easy to forget what you were talking about or learning in this video. And I want to make sure you grasp one thing. This miracle working presence, call it God, call it the universe, call it consciousness, call it the supernatural, call it life. Call it anything you want. Alan Watts says you can't get wet by the word water, but this presence, this divine intelligence, this universal intelligence, it is you. Consciousness is you. Energy is you. Therefore, you are one with this energy, with God, with the universe. You are a divine being. And guess what? You're worthy of all the things that you want in life. You're worthy of having the money. Money's useless. It's just paper. It's the things that it can do. The nice house, the awesome charity, the fun car, your kids in the right school, having the good health insurance, whatever it is that you buy with it, it's those things. So you get to the core a lot simpler when you go, yeah, I'm worthy of flying first class. I'm worthy of having my dream car. I'm worthy of having a promotion, and I'm worthy of being acknowledged by a romantic relationship where my significant other, this man or woman, builds me up rather than tears me down. They acknowledge me. They love me. They support me unconditionally. They encourage me to do the things I want in life. They compliment. I'm worthy of that type of person. I am worthy of being someone who can pull up in the nice gated community and my house is there. It's not that I'm not good enough. I am good enough. I'm a child of God. Who am I not to be worthy of everything that I want? Who are you not to be worthy of everything that you want? It's all an illusion, anything other than that. So comment down below, I am worthy. Comment that down below, I am worthy. And what I want you to do is start repeating that phrase with whatever it is that you want. I am worthy of having financial freedom. I am worthy of attracting my soulmate. I am worthy of an enriching romantic relationship with someone I'm attracted to. I am worthy of being validated. I'm worthy of being complimented. I am worthy of being acknowledged and unconditionally loved in my romantic relationships. I am worthy of having a fulfilling job, a fulfilling career that brings in tons of money. And more than that, I'm respected there. I'm validated. I'm acknowledged. I have great ideas. I'm worthy of having great ideas. I'm worthy of not living paycheck to paycheck and having financial independence and financial security. I am worthy of having my dream house, my dream life. I'm worthy of it. When you do that, you speed up the process, because what stops most people work really hard. Most people, that's like all the YouTube videos say, you just gotta work harder. Okay, most people work really hard. They actually do. That's not the problem. It's just that subconsciously most people are blocking what they want. They're actually rejecting it because their self-image isn't congruent with it. In their self-image, they believe they are not worthy of what they want. And if your self-image says, I'm not worthy of what I want, even if you consciously desire it, even if you visualize it, even if you show up and work 10 hours a day on it, if subconsciously your self-image is rejecting what you want because you don't believe you're worthy, you're not going to get it. But when you start to say this, I am worthy, I'm a divine being, I am worthy, I'm a divine being, I am worthy, what you're going to do is you're going to start sending yourself immediately a new subconscious message that instantly changes the way you feel. When you instantly change the way that you feel, you instantly change your vibration. You instantly change your energy. Remember, everything is energy. The tripod in front of me is 99% empty space. Remember the phone, the computer, the wall, the chair you're sitting on? This thing looks like a solid object, but that's 1% of what it is. It's 99% energy. And you instantly change your energy when you remember that you're a divine being, when you remember that you're worthy of what you want, when you remember that your past does not determine your future, when you remember that everything you were told about who you were was incomplete, because in reality, you are a divine being. You are worthy of what you want. You are deserving. You are smart enough. You can do it. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you haven't yet, right there down below, pinned to the comments right there, you'll see thesecondmind.com. It's right there down below. I created for myself, firstly, a piece of software, a piece of technology that was designed to reprogram my brain to these truths. Because I noticed I had memorized all this old crap, all these terrible limiting beliefs and feelings of inadequacy and fear and anxiety and thinking I couldn't do it. It was memorized so deeply in me from the world that I grew up in and was conditioned into. And I called that limited part of myself the limited part of you and me that's programmed by society, I call that your first mind. Now, science now shows us, due to neuroplasticity, you can reprogram your brain, you can rewire your mind, you can thus change everything in your life. You can memorize the vibration and you can memorize the actual neural connections of I am worthy. Therefore, you attract all these epic things in your life. And I made this for myself. It's called the second mind, because what it's going to do is it's going to reprogram your brain and allow you to live from this place of being worthy and attracting from that place, being a magnet from that place. And there's a free demo. It's right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com. It's right there down below, pinned to the comments, thesecondmind.com. It's right there down below. You go ahead and you can demo that for free right now. Right there down below, thesecondmind.com. Step out of your first mind into your second mind. Remember, you are worthy, you are smart enough, you are good enough, you are deserving. Hit the like button on the side right over there. The like button is what sends this video out into the YouTube universe right there down below. I'm worthy of you liking this video. Just joking, but seriously, hit it on the side right over there. And then subscribe and bell notification. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Even if you already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? You might have subscribed like 6 months ago, but maybe you haven't hit the bell notification. Just make sure you get notified when I release a new video. Make sure that you double check you've actually hit the bell notification after you subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, you live in a friendly universe. You are good enough. You are smart enough. You can do this. So comment down below, I am worthy of what I want. Comment down below, I'm worthy of what I want, and have an absolutely fantastic day. Maybe take a deep breath in or out real quick. One more, deep breath in and out. And say, I trust this universe. I intend to feel good. Today's gonna be a great day.